Today I'm going to show you how to put the back seats down in a 2024 Toyota Corolla. So you'll come to the back seat, the back row, and you will see on the driver's side, you'll see a little button and you have to push down. You'll see that it turns red and then you can pull the seat. It will be released and you can lay it flat. The second button for these middle and passenger side, it's right in the middle. You'll push and release. And now you've got the back seats flat, so if you need to put anything long through the trunk, you can lay it through that way. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you'll subscribe.